Hello and welcome back to English Listening Practice. Today we have a very special topic. We are going to talk about how to change your thinking. Did you know that your thoughts can change your life? Many people have negative thoughts every day. They say things like, "I am not good at this." They might also say, "English is too difficult for me." These thoughts make it hard to learn new things. But you can choose to change those thoughts today. Changing your thinking is like planting a garden. If you plant good thoughts, you will see good results. Positive thinking gives you the energy to keep trying. It is okay if you make mistakes while you learn. Every mistake is just a lesson to help you grow. Your brain is very strong, and it can always change. You just need to give it the right information. In this video, we will learn how to be more positive. This will help you feel better and learn much faster. Are you ready to start this journey with us? Let's look at the first step to a better mindset. The words you use are very important for your brain. When you say, "I can't," your brain stops trying. Negative words act like a wall in your mind. They stop you from finding new ways to solve problems. Instead of saying, "I am bad at this," try a new sentence. You can say, "I am still learning how to do this." This small change makes a big difference in your heart. It moves you from a closed mind to an open mind. Think about your English practice every morning. Do not say, "I don't understand anything today." Try saying, "I am learning 5 new words today." Specific and positive words help you stay focused. Your mind listens to every word you say about yourself. If you speak kindly to yourself, you will feel brave. Brave people are not afraid to make small mistakes. They know that mistakes are just part of the process. Today, try to catch your negative words and stop them. Replace them with words that make you feel strong. You have the power to choose your own vocabulary. Use your words to build a bridge to your success. There is one small word that can change everything. This very special word is the word yet. When you say, "I can't speak English," it feels final. It feels like the story is finished and you failed. But if you add yet, the meaning changes completely. "I can't speak English yet" means you will one day. This word tells your brain that you are on a journey. It means that your success is coming in the future. You might say, "I don't understand this grammar rule." Just add the word yet to the end of that sentence. Now you are saying that you will understand it soon. It is a promise you make to yourself and your mind. Many successful people use this word every single day. They know that they are always growing and changing. Don't be sad if you are not an expert right now. Nobody is born knowing how to do everything perfectly. Practice using this word whenever you feel a bit stuck. It is the easiest way to keep your hope alive. Remember, yet is a bridge between today and tomorrow. You are not there today, but you are moving forward. It is very easy to look at other people today. We see people on the internet who speak perfectly. You might think, "Why is their English so good?" Then you feel bad about your own slow progress. But remember, everyone starts at the very beginning. You are seeing their finish line, not their start. Comparing yourself to others is a trap for your mind. It steals your joy and makes you want to quit. The only person you should compare yourself to is you. Look at how much you knew 1 month ago today. You know more words now than you did back then. You can understand more sentences than you did before. Every person has a different path and a different speed. Some people walk fast, and some people walk slowly. Both people will reach the top of the mountain eventually. Your speed does not matter as long as you do not stop. Celebrate the small wins that you achieve every day. If you learned one new phrase, that is a victory. Focus on your own book and don't read someone else's. Your story is unique and you are doing a great job. Many people think they need to study for many hours. They think they must work very hard all day long. But big changes come from small things done every day. Your brain likes to learn in small, easy pieces. It is better to study for 15 minutes every morning. This is better than studying for 5 hours on Sunday. When you practice every day, it becomes a habit. A habit is something you do without thinking about it. Think of your brain like a muscle in your body. You must exercise it a little bit every single day. If you stop for a long time, the muscle becomes weak. If you practice daily, your brain becomes very strong. You can listen to English while you drink your coffee. You can read one short story before you go to sleep. These small habits build a very strong foundation for you. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to be active. Do not wait for the perfect time to start your work. The best time to change your habits is right now. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated every day. Little by little, a little becomes a lot. Sometimes life gives us very difficult situations. You might feel like these problems are stopping you, but a challenge is actually a hidden gift for you. It is an opportunity to test what you have learned. If you never face a challenge, you cannot grow strong. Think of a runner training for a very long race. The hills are hard to climb, but they build muscle. Difficult grammar or fast speakers are like those hills. When you don't understand, don't say, "I am a failure." Instead, say, "This is a chance for me to grow." Change your perspective to see the good in the hard. Every difficult conversation makes you a better listener. Every hard book you read makes you a better reader. You are building skills that will stay with you forever. Don't run away from the things that feel uncomfortable. Growth usually happens outside of your comfort zone. Stay curious when you meet a problem in your English. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this mistake? When you change your view, the challenge changes too. A big mountain becomes a path to a beautiful view. Close your eyes and think about your future. Imagine yourself speaking English clearly and happily. You are talking to friends from different countries. You feel relaxed and you understand everything they say. This is called visualization, and it is very powerful. Your brain begins to believe that this success is real. When you imagine success, you feel more confident. This confidence helps you study harder every day. Many famous athletes use this trick before a game. They see themselves winning before the game starts. You can do the same thing with your English learning. Before you open your book, imagine a great lesson. Don't focus on the fear of making a mistake. Focus on the feeling of finishing a good conversation. Your mind works hard to achieve what it sees clearly. If you see success, you will move towards success. Take 1 minute every morning to dream about your goals. See yourself reaching the finish line with a smile. If you can dream it, you can definitely achieve it. Your future self is waiting for you to arrive. Your environment has a big effect on your mind. The things you see and hear change your mood. Try to spend time with people who support you. Good friends will encourage you to keep going. If people say negative things, it is hard to stay happy. Surround yourself with people who love to learn. You can also change your digital environment today. Follow social media pages that share positive news. Listen to podcasts that make you feel inspired and brave. Read books that teach you how to be your best self. When your world is positive, your thoughts become positive. It is like living in a house with a lot of light. If you feel discouraged, find a community of learners. There are many people who feel exactly like you do. Share your goals with someone who believes in you. They can help you stay strong when things are hard. You are the average of the people you spend time with. Choose to be with people who lift you up higher. Create a space that makes you feel excited to study. A positive environment leads to a positive life. How do you talk to yourself when you fail? Many people are very mean to themselves. They say things they would never say to a friend. They say, "I am stupid," or "I am so slow," but you must be your own best friend instead. Kindness is a much better teacher than anger. When you are kind to yourself, your brain relaxes. A relaxed brain can remember words much better. If you have a bad day, just say, "That is okay. Tomorrow is a new day to try one more time." Learning a language is a very big achievement. You should be proud of every step you take. Give yourself a reward when you reach a small goal. Maybe buy a coffee or take a walk in the park. Patience is the most important part of this journey. It takes time for a small seed to become a tree. Do not rush your progress or get angry at time. Trust that you are exactly where you need to be. Love yourself through the process of changing. A happy learner is a successful learner. We have reached the end of our journey today. Let's look back at everything we have learned. You learned that your thoughts can change your life. You learned to use positive words like yet. Remember that small habits lead to big results. Stop comparing your path to other people's stories. Your mind is a garden, so plant good seeds. Be kind to yourself when you make a mistake. Change is not always easy, but it is possible. You have the power to choose a better mindset. Every morning is a new chance to think differently. Every sentence you speak is a step forward. Thank you for practicing your English with us. We are very proud of the hard work you do. Don't forget to believe in yourself every day. You are stronger and smarter than you think. Keep listening, keep learning, and keep growing. Your future is very bright and full of hope. Goodbye for now from English Listening Practice. We will see you in our next lesson soon.